In the last videos, we created an AI character and made it talk, but now we're going to place that character inside a full cinematic scene.
Creating AI scenes is just combining three elements: a character, a background, and motion. First, we generate the environment our character will exist in. Next, we add subtle camera movement. Then we combine the character animation with the scene. As you can see, I've already generated some images that I'll use to create the scene.
Welcome aboard. Systems are ready for launch.
Keep in mind, you don't always get what you're after the first time generating images to create videos from. You can see I have different spaceships and space stations. I created these shots a few till I generated what I wanted. I use ChatGPT to help create ideas for scenes. Most of the time is use the information as a guide for what I'm creating. Other times, I'll follow Chat's script. Here, I created the open audio for this video 9 times to get what I wanted. Now I go to extremes and really picky. I could have used any one of these. First, I had the wrong size video, then Chat's prompt had image showing the screen's reflection on my face. I started this video with 5 basic images: spaceship command bridge, futuristic city skyline, alien planet landscape, advanced AI laboratory, and space station observation deck. I used some of these already. Then I created ending images to use for video start and stop frames. Once I have video scenes they need put together to create a story. I use DaVinci Resolve. There are other applications that do the same. CapCut, Canva, Adobe, and more can do the same thing. I had Adobe Elements years ago. DaVinci was free and similar. You can see the 4 simple prompts I used to create these. You'll see the ending shows 2 different landings. I wanted you to see an example of the same prompt, and images can produce different outcomes. Here's a rough draft of the finished product. Keep in mind that all of this took about 15 minutes. I didn't do any fine-tuning or editing. I wanted you to see how simple it is to create a scene and a short video with scene. With the information from these 4 short tutorials, you should be able to create images, bring them to life, and use them to create a scene and a story. I've used old family photos and brought them to life using this method. Possibilities are endless. If you enjoy learning AI the simple way, consider subscribing. Next, we'll create multiple characters interacting in the same scene.